Question. This is question number 2 of our exercise. A tree breaks due to storm and broke part bend so that the top of the tree touches the ground and making an angle 30 degree with it. तो क्या दिया है? Let us see the question. They have told us that if it is tree and because of heavy storm it fell. So here this tree fell off. ये ट्री यहाँ पे गिर गया and the top of that tree is touching the ground right now. Then what happened? And broke the part bend so that the top of the tree touches the ground and making angle 30 degree. यानी ये ट्री ग्राउंड के साथ 30 डिग्री एंगल बना रहा है. The distance between foot of the tree यानी foot of the tree is this to the point where the top touches और जहाँ पे टॉप गिरा है और टच कर रहा है that distance is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree means we have to find this. So let us suppose it in the form of ABC as we are knowing it is perpendicular. So here अब हम सोचना शुरू करेंगे ऐसा कौन सा थीटा है जिसमें अपोजिट अपॉन एडजेसेंट आती है. So let us think about tan theta. Tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. So here we will take tan 30. Opposite side is BC and AB. Right. Let us substitute the value. So let us write what is BC over there. So we are not knowing. What is the value of AB? That is 8 meter. And now we have to think about what you can see over here. Here we will substitute the value. That will be 1 upon under root 3. BC को हम या तो BC के फॉर्म में रखेंगे. Let me keep it in the form of BC. That will become 8 upon under root 3. अब यहाँ एक important बात ये है कि that this is the total height of that tree. Tree किस फॉर्म में है? तो tree's total height is BC plus AC means we also need to find this AC. Because right now we just found this tree अभी इधर गिरा हुआ है and that is our hypotenuse. So हमें ये भी ढूंढना है. So separately let me give it name as 1 and separately I am finding if 30 is given hypotenuse and this down thing we having. So we will apply sin 30. Sin we are finding this is adjacent side of it. So we will find cos 30 and that will be adjacent upon hypo. ठीक है. So that is AC. So value of cos 30 that will be under root 3 by 2 and that is equals to 8 into AC. So what is the value of AC? That will become 16 upon under root 3 and let me give it as equation number 2. So here we have found two separate height but this is not end of this question because we have to find height of tree. So let me write over here. Height of tree is equals to BC plus AC and that will become 8 plus under root 3 plus 16 under root 3. Denominator is same. Let me write it as 1. अब हम 8 plus 16 करेंगे. So it will become 24. Then we will simplify it, rationalize it. So I will multiply under root 3. So it will become 24 under root 3. Under root 3 into under root 3 will become 3. Let us reduce it. 8 under root 3 and let us see that it is in centimeter or meter. We will write that unit. So total height of that tree is 8 under root 3. So this is the concept of this question. Question is too long as you can see but answer is little bit. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for a children play in a park. अगर एक contractor को बच्चों के लिए slides रखनी है पार्क में for the children below age of 5 years, he prefers have a slide whose top is at height of 1.5 and inclined at an angle 30 degree to the ground. ये कहना ये चाह रहे हैं कि अगर हमें एक स्लाइड यहाँ पे इंस्टॉल करवानी है बच्चों के लिए पार्क में तो छोटे 5 साल तक के बिलो 5 इयर्स के हैं उनके लिए जो स्लाइड्स बनेगी उसके ये वाले टॉप की हाइट 1.5 होंगी और वो जब ग्राउंड को टच करा इट इज मेकिंग 30 डिग्री ओवर हियर. Where for the elder children she wants to have a steep slide at a height of a 3 meter. बट अगर बड़े बच्चों के लिए स्लाइड बनानी है तो उसने बोला कि ये वाली हाइट है वो 3 वाली होगी. Then what happen if this increase, then angle also increase by 60 degree, means angle of elevation increase by 60 degree to the ground के साथ बना रहा है. What should be the length of the slide in each case? दोनों केस में स्लाइड की लेंथ कितनी होगी. उन्होंने यूं नहीं पूछा कि हाउ फार इट इज फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड. दे आस्क्ड दैट व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ दिस स्लाइड. सो लेट अस गिव द नेम. लेट मी गिव इट नेम एज ए बी एंड सी. सो ऐसा कौन सा थीटा होगा जिसमें अपोजिट आएगा एंड दिस हाइपोटेनियस. सो वी विल टेक sin 30 that will be equals to BC by AC. So value of sin 30 will be 1 by 2. BC is 1.5 and AC we are not knowing. So let me take AC over there and we will do 1.5 into 2. So AC will become 3. How I got the answer? So let me remove this decimal point. Will become 10. ठीक है. 5 3s and 5 2s. So wait, let me do it again. That what I mean to say, it is 1.5 into 2. So it is 15 by 10 into 2. Let us reduce it. So it will become 5. And then we are reducing 5 3s, so it will become 3. And it is in meter. So let me write it in meter. यानी कि फर्स्ट स्लाइड जो छोटे बच्चों की होगी उसका ये स्लैंटिंग पार्ट यानी कि स्लाइड कितने मीटर लॉन्ग होगी. 3 मीटर लॉन्ग होगी. So this is now we are finding the second. Let me give it name as PQR. ठीक है. Then we are taking in which theta that opposite and hypo is coming. So it is in sin. Let us take sin 60. Opposite is QR upon PR. Sin 60 is under root 3 by 2 and QR that will be 3 and PR we are not knowing. Let us make PR as head. So PR is equals to 3 into 2 by 3. कैसे हो गया? This is the cross multiply. It goes up and it goes down. So now here again we have to make rationalize it. Let me make rationalize it. So it will become 3 2 and under root 3 by I have made like this. So you will come to know under root 3 into under root 3 is 3. 3 will cut out and answer of this will be 2 under root 3 meter. So this is the answer of this question. I hope you understood. And you will ask that shall we substitute value of under root 3? So if it is given in question that under root 3 is 1.7, then only you have to substitute. Else if you are not substituting, then also this answer will be correct. Question. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot. ये कहना क्या चाह रहे हैं? So some tower is over here और कोई पर्सन यहाँ से देख रहा है तो यहाँ पे एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन बन रहा है. इफ यू आर वॉचिंग दी टावर, सो व्हाट दे सेड द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ द टावर फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑन द ग्राउंड, यानी ग्राउंड पे जिस जगह से हम इसे देख रहे हैं, विच इज 30 मीटर अवे फ्रॉम द फुट ऑफ द टावर. तो ये टावर का फुट है, पैर. ठीक है. और हम जहाँ से देख रहे हैं दैट इज 30 मीटर फार. विथ दिस डिस्टेंस दे हैव गिवन एज 30 मीटर as well as of the tower is 30 degree. means angle उन्होंने angle of elevation दे दिया that is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower, यानी हमें ये ढूंढना है. So let us give it name as A, B and C. Let us try to substitute. क्या करेंगे? Let us see. तो अगर हम ऐसा कौन सा थीटा लेंगे जिसमें अपोजिट आएगी और and this one is adjacent. तो अगर हम tan थीटा लेते हैं that is opposite upon adjacent. So let me write tan 30 is equals to what is the opposite side that is BC and what is adjacent side that is 30. So what is tan 30? So that is 1 upon under root 3 and that is equals to BC by 30. Let me take it up. So it will look like BC is equals to 30 is going here by under root 3. Let me rationalize it. So it will become BC 30 into under root 3 by 3. If we are cutting it, we are getting answer as 10 under root 3. And if it is in meter, let us write it in meter. So this is the answer that height of that particular tower is 10 under root 3. यानी हम इस तरह से टावर की हाइट ढूंढ सकते हैं अगर हमें फुट का डिस्टेंस पता हो तो. बट द अनदर थिंग, और एंगल भी पता होना चाहिए. बट द अनदर थिंग इज if you want to substitute the value of under root 3 that is 1.7 you can, and if you don't want, that is your wish. This answer is also correct. the question. Questions are long but answers are very easy. A kite is flying at a height 60 meter above the ground. यानी क्वेश्चन कैसे है वो देखते हैं. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to the point. यानी यूँ बोला है कि नीचे जमीन से बिना स्टैक यानी कि कोई टेढ़ी मेढ़ी नहीं स्ट्रेट फॉर्म में हमने काइट को टाई कर दिया है. इट इज फ्लाइंग अबोव द ग्राउंड यानी यहाँ से ग्राउंड से लेके इसके कुछ पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस दे हैव गिवन इट एज 60 मीटर. सो लेट मी राइट इट एज 60 मीटर. और हमने वो काइट की थ्रेड को यहाँ पे बांध दिया है और जिसमें स्टेक्स नहीं है एकदम स्ट्रेट लाइन है. सो व्हाट विल हैपन द इंक्लिनेशन ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग विल टू द ग्राउंड इज 60 डिग्री यानी एंगल यानी कि थीटा 60 डिग्री दे दिया है. फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग यानी हमें ये स्लैंटिंग हाइट ढूंढनी है यानी कि हाइपोटेनियस ढूंढना है. थीटा के सामने वाली साइड दैट इज अपोजिट एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड हाइपोटेनियस. ऐसा कौन सा थीटा है जिसमें ये होगा. तो साइन थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू अपोजिट अपॉन हाइपो. सो साइन 60 इज इक्वल्स टू अपोजिट. सो एज आई एम गिविंग द नेम ABC, let me give here too. So what is opposite? That is BC, and what is hypotenuse? That is AC. Let us substitute the value. Sin 60 is under root 3 by 2. What is BC? That is 60, and what is AC? That we are not knowing. Let us do cross multiplication. We will take AC over here. So 2 will goes up, means 60 into 2, and this 3 will come down. As I told you in so many questions, we will rationalize it directly. Let me make over here only. So I will multiply it with under root 3. So it will become 60 into 2 under root 3 by 3. Let us reduce this first. 3 2s are 6, so it will become 20. 2 2s are 4, means 40, and under root 3. And that is the height of that string. यानी ये string की height, length कितनी है 40 under root 3. If it is in meter, write it is in meter. If it is in centimeter, write in centimeter. That is depend on the question. So this is the end of this question. I hope you understood. These kind of questions are very easy. Only questions are too long to write. But the most important thing is figure that we have to draw by ourselves, and we have to understand the concept that what is 60. Are they giving 60 as this thing or this thing or this thing? If you are clear with that concept, then you can solve it easy way. So the important thing for this kind of question is figure, that you have to draw figure first, then you have to apply what, that if it is tan, if it is sin, or if it is cos. ये एक अलग तरह का कॉन्सेप्ट है. 1.5 मीटर टॉल बॉय इज स्टैंडिंग एट सम डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम 30 मीटर टॉल बिल्डिंग. यानी ऐसे दिया है कि यहाँ पे एक बिल्डिंग है और वन बॉय इज देयर एंड विच ही हैविंग हाइट एट 1.5 मीटर. बट कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है वो देखना. द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन फ्रॉम हिज आईज टू द टॉप ऑफ द बिल्डिंग इज इंक्रीज फ्रॉम 30 to 60. तो बॉय अगर यहाँ है वो एक बार बिल्डिंग को देख रहा है और एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन 30 है. दूसरी बार सपोज करो वो देख रहा था 60 है. तो जैसे आई बताया था, जैसे मैंने आप लोगों को कि जैसे जैसे वो पास जाएगा ना वैसे ही एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन बढ़ता जाएगा. तो ऑब्वियसली व्हाट दे आर ट्राइंग टू से दैट बॉय पहले यहाँ था, उसने बिल्डिंग को देखा, फिर थोड़ा आगे गया, देन ही इज वॉचिंग टॉप ऑफ द हाइट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग. So what is given in this concept? So they gave the height of the boy and the height of the building as 30 meter. So what they gave? ये पूरे 30 मीटर में से if we are giving it name as A B C D E. So what they are trying to say, this ED is 30 and that BC is 1.5. So what we have to do? We have to subtract to find this ED we have to find. So let us write. So EC is equals to ED plus BC is given. EC is 30, ED is we are not knowing, और BC दिया है 1.5. Let us take, so it will become 28.5 and that is the answer of ED. ये क्यों ढूंढा? बिकॉज एंगल यहाँ से शुरू नहीं हो रहा है, एंगल यहाँ से शुरू हुआ है. So we need this side, we not need that the whole side. It is 28.5 this much. Now we have to apply this. अब उन्होंने बोला द बिल्डिंग, फाइंड द डिस्टेंस ही वॉक टुवर्ड्स द बिल्डिंग. यानी अगर वो बच्चा यहाँ से यहाँ तक आ गया, बिल्डिंग की तरफ तरफ आगे तो पूरा बढ़ रहा था, बट उसने ये डिस्टेंस कितना कवर किया. So let us give it some more name over here because we need two triangles. So let me give it as F and G. ठीक है. Now we will talk about two triangles. So here you will see that which two triangles. So one is triangle EDA. In that this one is 30 degree and this one is 28.5, and we have to find AD. This whole AD we have to find. क्यों बाद में पता चलेगा. एंड सेकेंड फिगर वी कैन टेक, हम ले सकते हैं, वो कौन सी है, ई डी एंड जी, एंड दैट इज 60 डिग्री. इन दैट ऑल्सो दिस इज 28.5 एंड वी विल फाइंड जी डी. यानी ये पूरे ए डी में से जी डी सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो हमें ए जी मिलेगा. और ए जी क्या है, दैट इज द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय दैट बॉय. तो लेट अस फाइंड इट सेपरेटली. तो ऐसा कौन सा थीटा है जिसमें अपोजिट अपॉन एडजेसेंट आएगा, तो हम बोल रहे हैं tan 30. That will be equals to 28.5 by that AD. Let us substitute value. 1 upon under root 3 is 28.5 by AD. So therefore AD is equals to 28.5 under root 3. Let me keep it as it is. Afterwards I will solve it. So let us apply tan 60 over here. So it will become again 28.5 by GD. ठीक है. So let us write the value of. So it will be having value under root 3, 28.5 into GD. So what is the value of GD? So GD is equals to 28.5 by under root 3. अब यहाँ में दोनों वैल्यू मिल गई है. Let us substitute in this. So here I will write that AD is equals to what? AG plus GD. यहाँ पे लिख देना है that AG is distance he walked. And that is question mark. Alright, so AG plus GD. So what is AD? So let us write from here 28.5 under root 3. What is AG? We are not knowing, so let us write AG over here. And GD 28.5 under root 3. अब इसे हम शिफ्ट करेंगे 28.5 अंडर रूट 3 माइनस 28.5 अंडर रूट 3 अपन में, एंड दैट इज इक्वल्स टू एजी. लेट अस सिंप्लीफाई इट. सो लेट अस टेक कॉमन फ्रॉम इट. तो यहाँ पे अगर हम 28.5 कॉमन लेते हैं, यहाँ पे बचेगा अंडर रूट 3, 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट 3, एंड दैट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एजी. लेट अस सिंप्लीफाई इट मोर. तो इट विल बिकम 28.3 अंडर रूट 3 into अंडर रूट 3. आई हैव टेकन एलसीएम ओवर हियर, सो इट विल लुक लाइक दिस, एंड दैट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एजी. Let me write few things over there. So it will become 3 minus 1 means 2 into 28.5, and by that under root 3, and that is the value of AG. Still it is not solved because it is under root. So let us write under root 3 into under root 3. So it will become 2. Let us simplify it. If we want to simplify, we can write it as 2 into 28.5 into under root 3 by 3. If you want to reduce it, you can reduce it more. So let me reduce it in rough, then only I will write the final answer. So it is 28.5. So let me write it as 285 by 10. ठीक है. 2 is also there, under root 3 is also there, and that 3 is also there. Let me reduce it if we can. So in the table of 3, 9 3s are 27 and 5 3s are 15. 3 will be reduced. Let me reduce it. So it will become 2 5s, and let me reduce it more. So 5 1s are 5 and 4 will remain. So it will become directly I am writing that AG is equals to 19 under root 3, and if it is in meter, let us write it in meter. So this is the concept of this question. You can reduce it in fair